So, you've heard about Omarchy. Maybe someone online said it's the future of Linux. Maybe you're already on Ubuntu and wondering if it's time to switch. Today we're breaking it down simply. No tech jargon, just the truth. Ubuntu has been around since 2004. It's the most popular Linux desktop in the world. When people say I want to try Linux, Ubuntu is almost always what they start with. It looks familiar, you get a taskbar, a desktop, app icons, it works a lot like Mac or Windows. You click things, it just works. It's built on Debian, which makes it rock solid. Canonical, the company behind it, puts out big updates every 2 years, and those updates are tested to death before they reach you. Omarchy is brand new. It launched in June 2025 and was made by DHH, the guy who created Ruby on Rails and runs the company behind Basecamp. It's built on top of Arch Linux, which is known for being fast, modern, and always up to date. Then it layers on something called Hyperland, a window manager where your apps snap and tile across the screen automatically. Here's the key thing in Omarchy. Everything is done with the keyboard. There's no dock, there's no desktop icons. You press keys to open apps, switch windows, do basically everything. It comes loaded with developer tools like NeoVim, Chromium, Docker, LibreOffice, Spotify. Someone made all the hard choices for you. That someone is DHH. 37 Signals, DHH's company, has already started moving their whole team onto it. Let's compare them directly. Ease of use, well, Ubuntu wins. Omarchy has a real learning curve. The keyboard-only setup will confuse anyone coming from Windows or Mac. Speed and fresh software, Omarchy wins. Arch is a rolling release. You always get the newest versions of everything. Ubuntu's LTS is stable but can run 2 years behind on some apps. For developers, Omarchy wins. It's purposely built for coders. Everything a developer needs is already there and set up perfectly. For general use, Ubuntu wins easily. Browse the web, watch YouTube, write documents, Ubuntu handles all of it with zero fuss. When it comes to hardware support, Ubuntu again. It works on almost any machine, including tablets and laptops with touchscreens. For cost, both are completely free. So, which one is better? Neither. They're built for different people. If you're a developer who wants speed, control, and a beautiful terminal setup, try Omarchy. If you're new to Linux or just want something that works on day one, stick with Ubuntu. That's it for today's video. Drop a comment. Which side are you on? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.